Are you going to be the bank to the future? Are you going to be able to embrace change and actually make an impact that will not be banking of the 80s? More than ever before, the future is being driven not by our organizations, not by the financial services industry, but by the consumer. It's happening faster and at a pace never before seen. What I'm going to be discussing today are some examples of innovations being done outside the banking industry and what we can learn from those innovations. It is unacceptable that my dry cleaner knows more about me than my bank does. People don't want to do banking. They don't want to go to branches.
Sitting down with Jim Marous, the owner of Digital Banking Report.
Digital Banking Report is a digital publication, provides insights to financial institutions as to what's going on in the industry.
What are the top 5?
Everything from fintech to innovation.
When you say banks versus fintech, what on earth is the difference?
The bar in our industry is no longer set by the other financial institutions.
While the fintech firms have the agility, have the innovation culture.
Uber, Amazon, Tesla. How enjoyable would it be if we could make a banking solution as easy as Uber?
Trying to disrupt the financial services industry.
The consumer expects us to know who they are, to know them, look out for them, and reward them. Be a consumer for a day. How easy is it for you to open an account? It just doesn't make sense. To a consumer that is used to one-click purchasing, as the person in Nairobi said, sometimes bankers get in our own way. The key is to tell them what you believe they're going to need to know as they go down the road. The winners are making life easier. It's the difference between a rear-view mirror view and a GPS of financial services. The most exciting trend to me is probably voice.
The balance in your checking account is $1,547.
The ability to have a digital concierge.
It's the future of proactively determining what my life is going to be like. Isn't it better if we're at the center of that ecosystem rather than being on the outside looking in? I think the biggest risk in the industry today is complacency. The costs are way too big for smaller banks to keep up with all the investment they have to make. What is my role going to be in the new banking ecosystem? Too big to fail. They're right now too small to succeed. Because if I don't make that determination, I could be on the outside looking in to an Amazon, a Google, a Facebook, or an Apple. Organizations that can provide the best digital engagement are really going to be the winners going forward. Are we really looking at the future where people are going to do banking, or where banking is going to be part of everything we do?